How to turn off text message preview on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. Here, you can toggle iMessage on or off, manage read receipts, send messages as SMS when iMessage isn't available, adjust send and receive options, and configure settings for MMS, group messaging, and more. Go to Notifications as shown. You can manage the Messages app notifications from here. Scroll down to the Lock Screen Appearance section at the end and go to Show Previews. Here, select Never. Following these steps, you can easily turn off text message preview on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.